In this video, I will show you how to seamlessly pull your Fireflies transcripts directly into Claude to supercharge your meeting analysis. This integration is a game changer for anyone who wants to quickly generate summaries or extract action items without manually copying and pasting large blocks of text. The first thing you need to do is ensure the two platforms are talking to each other. Head over to your Claude settings and navigate to the Connectors section. From there, you will see an option for Fireflies. Simply click Connect and follow the prompts to authorize the link between your accounts. Once that is set up, the real magic happens in the chat interface. You do not need to hunt for files or download anything. Instead, you will use a specific prompt to tell Claude exactly what you need. You should type something like, "Please look into my Fireflies account and find the full transcript for the meeting titled Q3 Planning Sync that took place yesterday." Make sure you replace the meeting title and the date with your actual meeting details so the AI knows exactly which file to retrieve. Then, simply add a final instruction asking Claude to pull the complete text into the chat for analysis. The AI will then reach into your Fireflies logs and bring the entire conversation right into your current workspace. This allows you to ask follow-up questions about specific topics or even draft emails based on what was discussed. It makes managing your meeting data incredibly efficient and keeps all your insights in one place.